Hi and welcome to my studio. I've been practicing today and I've been practicing these color swatches. These are already made. I have a lemon yellow, an Aurelian yellow, alizarin crimson, a permanent red, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, sap green, and burnt sienna. And what I've done is I've taken these colors and I've mixed them with the other colors. So what I did was I took my lemon yellow, made a swatch there, and I mixed my lemon yellow with my alizarin crimson, and I threw some water in just to see what kind of color it would get. And this is dried pretty light, but it gives you an idea that it would be an orange. And then I took my alizarin crimson and my my alizarin crimson and my Aurelian yellow, which is a warm yellow, and I made an orange with that. And consequently, I went and did more swatches of this, an alizarin crimson and ultramarine blue for a kind of lavender, permanent rose and ultramarine blue for, this is more of a reddish lavender. I took ultramarine blue and lemon yellow and tried to make a green, phthalo blue and lemon yellow, a nice spring green, sap green, and alizarin crimson gives me kind of a brownish green, and burnt sienna and ultramarine blue will give me a dark gray, and I can even mix it down to black, but I'll do another video to show you how to mix grays and black. And you can continue by mixing your colors, and then I mark the colors that I use for each of the individual swatches. And I use the basic colors that I work with. Ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, alizarin crimson, permanent red, Aurelian yellow, lemon yellow, and a burnt sienna, and a sap green. I have other colors on my palette, but these are the basic colors, and they will give you a number of different varieties. This is endless. And you also could mix down different color swatches if you wanted to. If you were doing, say, a floral, you could mix pink and blue for a nice lavender shadow. You could also put some sap green in there, or yellow to bring your greens in if there are leaves. So you have many variations for something like this. These are fun to do. Take some time, play with them. It's relaxing. You get to see how your colors work. You can use a lot of color, you can use a little bit, you can paint over these, but it makes you familiar with what your color palette and water will do. Have a successful, creative day, and don't forget to keep practicing.